Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to reset your Instagram password in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. On the login screen, tap on Use Another Profile if your account is not already showing. Now, if your password isn't filling automatically, tap on Forgot Password. After that, enter your Instagram username, your email address, or the phone number linked to your account. Then tap Continue. Instagram will send you a verification code. Check your email inbox or SMS messages and enter the code you received. Go back to the Instagram app and enter the code. Once verified, Instagram will let you access your account recovery page. Now create a brand new password. Make sure it's strong but easy for you to remember. After entering the new password, tap on Continue and your password will be updated successfully. And that's it. Your Instagram account is back. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.